Alright, so let's take a look at the LaCie Rugged Secure all-terrain encrypted storage, as they say, USB-C and USB 3. It's got both, obviously designed by Neil Poulton. Thank you, Neil. It comes with the Creative Cloud. A lot of the LaCie products come out now, 1 month membership, which isn't as long, but it's still worth something because it is quite expensive to get that Creative Cloud plan, but I guess it gives you a bit of a taste of it for a month and then locks you in if you get hooked on. Actual size, it says. That's a chunky thing. I guess that's the point of it. Now we have, what have we got here? So you got 2 years limited warranty, USB and Thunderbolt 3 compatible. I like that a lot. You could just use an adapter, I'm sure it'd still work. Shock and rain resistant, rescue data recovery services. I like that a lot. So LaCie and Seagate do that, as I mentioned earlier. I'm not sure how long this one would be. We'll see inside the box if it gives us how long it gives you. Usually with some of the more expensive products, they'll give you 1 or 2 years. Some of them even have 3. The 2 terabyte SSD we opened, that came with 3 years, but that's a $700-800 product. So it's USB 3.1 and USB 3, Thunderbolt 3, 5 gigabit per second, max theoretical. Keyword theoretical. Dimensions 270 grams. That's a bit chunky. So it is rain resistant. It doesn't. So the issue is it doesn't say what level. If it's IPX7, IP56, whatever it is, drops up to 1.2 meters, 4 feet, which is impressive for a hard drive. I know the SSDs, the 2 terabyte portable SSD that we opened, that could withstand 2 meters, but then again, that's an SSD and it's got no spinning magnetic parts. And run over by a 1-ton car. I would love to test that out, but unfortunately, 1-ton car, that's very, 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 very rare. I mean, Mazda MX-5, it's maybe very small micro hatchback type things, but not many. But I guess it's good if you've got a car that is 1 ton. I'm sure it would still be okay if it's a little bit more. I'm not sure if it's strictly 1 ton. They're probably just trying to save themselves there, but it'd be good to know that you're safe anyway. All right, let's get right into it. Oh, that's actually funny. It was upside down when I took it out, I think. The LaCie logo should have been manufactured this way. Oh, okay. Orange, I like that a lot. Comes with that orange cable. I do wish, and there, it's USB-C to USB-C. That is, and it's a very thick, chunky cable, which is very sturdy. I would be quite confident in that lasting for quite some time. So, nice work, LaCie. Do we have a USB 3? No, we don't. So the portable SSD came with a USB 3 to USB-C, but just get a $10 or $5 adapter, however much they cost. The dog is back, the rescue recovery dog. Congratulations, you have, includes rescue, so it doesn't say how long, so that's the thing. I don't know how long I have this rescue plan for, but I've got it. I don't want to use the reset codes. China tables, and your Adobe Creative plan, that comes for a month. Redeem your plan once you register your product. And whatever. Ooh, okay. So it is quite heavy for a hard drive. I guess that's the point, to keep it secure. Oh, this actually comes off. Okay, so there is your USB-C. So this is, yeah, I didn't, yep. Very interesting. It comes out. So I wonder how much more that orange part secures it. So this is quite a nice size, quite nimble as a little hard drive. Sort of like a backup plus slim type thing. Let's chuck it back in. What's the better that I can't get it back in? Oh, jeez. All right, this is harder than I expected. All right, there we go. We've got it back. We're good to go. So that obviously is the shock absorber there. That would be taking the hit for many of the drops that you may or may not be doing, and that must be very secure. I hope that that is waterproof enough. The hole there, obviously the input for the USB. But yeah, there it is. There's your Rugged Secure.